Welcome to DWBIADDA channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hello friends, in today's video we will be discussing about how to run a container with deployments using a minikube tool. So here we have an instance already launched with the minikube installed. So today what we will be doing is we will be deploying a container, running a container using the minikube tool. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to create a deployment and for that we use the kubectl create deployment command. Now as you can see, the deployment .apps/hello node has been created. Now we can check the status of the deployments using the kubectl get deployments command. So as you can see, the deployment is ready. Now if you want to check about the pods, we can simply use the command kubectl get pods. So as you can see, the hello node has been running from past 32 seconds. And if we want to check the status of the events, then we can also use the command kubectl get events. Now these are the events which has happened till now in the sequence. Now what we need to do is we need to expose the pod to the public internet using the kubectl expose command. So what we are doing right here is we are using the kubectl expose command to expose this deployment that we had done right now, and it will be exposed to port number 8080. So we will use this command. So the service hello node has been exposed. Now if we again use the command kubectl get services, now here we have two services running. One is the Kubernetes master cluster and the other one is the hello node, which is a load balancer, as you can see here, which we created right now, and it will be allocated an external IP on which we can access that load balancer. Now what load balancer does is that load balancer type makes the service accessible through the minikube service command. So to make the load balancer accessible on the external IP, what we need to do is we need to use this minikube service hello node command. Now as you can see, what minikube is doing is that it is opening the Kubernetes service that is default hello node in the default browser. Now if we want to check the currently supported add-ons with the minikube tool, we can simply use the command minikube add-ons list. Now these are the additional features offered by the minikube which we can enable or disable according to our needs. So let us say if we want to enable the heapster, then we can use the command minikube add-ons enable heapster and the heapster service will be enabled. Now if you want to check the status of all the services running in the pods, then we can use the command kubectl get pod. And here you can see that all the services running right now, which contains the API server controllers and proxy schedulers, storage provisioners, along with that all the service which are running right now, including Grafana, heapsters and rest of the services. Now as we have successfully launched a service and we have run a container in the we have run a load balancer service in the container using the minikube tool. If we want to delete or clean up the resources in the cluster, we can simply use the command kubectl delete service hello node. Now what it will do is it will delete the service which we just launched in the container. So here you can see the hello node service has been deleted, and if we need to delete the deployment of the hello node which we done, we can simply use the command kubectl delete deployment hello node. So as you can see, the deployment dot extensions hello node has been deleted. So just to verify that the services are deleted, we can simply again use the command kubectl get services. So as you can see, the hello node service has been successfully deleted from our cluster. So friend, that was all for today's video. Thank you.